This is your wine is called Maria Clara Virgin Sangria. The produce of this wine, Distilleria Lim Tuaco, a company founded in 1852. There is no fixed vintage information for most of its product. It has alcoholic volume of 10%. May I open the bottle for you, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Go. Yan. Go.
More, please.
Go.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your wine.